Hi, very good evening, students. Welcome back to video classes. I hope you all are fine. Right? All of you stay home, stay safe, learn well. Okay. Students, today in this video class, I am going to share some more questions. Okay, some more revision questions for your examination. Okay. And here, next answer the following questions in that first question. What are the functions of the cerebrum? Okay, here answer, the cerebrum controls the thinking, reasoning, intelligence, movement, and the sense organs. Okay, it is associated with speech, memory, and emotions. It also helps us to learn. Okay, and this cerebrum, it is also the largest and main part of the brain. Okay, it has many grooves and folds that makes it look like a walnut. Okay, and next second question here, give two examples from your everyday life when you apply contact forces. Okay, here answer, brushing the teeth and working with a pen or pencil are two examples where we apply contact forces. Okay, so these contact forces happen when objects touch each other. Okay, for example, contact forces when a person kicks a ball or pushes a trolley and lift a bucket, there will be some contact between two objects, right? And the types of these contact forces are frictional force, muscular force, and elastic force. Okay. And next, coming to the, when a stretched rubber band is released, it returns to its original shape. How does this happen? Answer, the elastic force causes a stretched rubber band to return to its original shape once the external force is removed. Okay, so this elastic force is also a contact force, right? So when the rubber band is stretched, it resists the change in its shape. Okay, the rubber band exerts a force in the opposite direction is called as a elastic force. Okay, students, next important question is, what are the functions of the skeleton? Okay, so skeleton is a framework of bones in our body. Okay, and the main function of the skeleton, or the skeleton gives shape and support to our body. Okay, and it helps us to stand upright, and it protects the delicate internal organs of our body. And with the help of muscles, the bones can move at joints, and this enables movement of our body parts. Okay, these are the functions of the skeleton. Okay, and next fifth question, why brain is called the control center of our body? Okay, so brain is also a one of the important part in our nervous system. Okay, the brain receives information or messages from different parts of the body, and it processes the information and transmits relevant commands to the related parts of the body. And the brain controls all our actions, including what we do, what we think, and what we say, how we behave, and how we learn. And hence, the brain is called the control center of the body. Okay, so the brain, it is acts like a computer. Okay, and next here, sixth question, mention two examples showing a change in the form of energy. Okay, so here some of the examples showing a change in the form of energy are, the chemical energy of the cell changes into the mechanical energy of a toy car and makes it move. Okay, and second, In a light bulb, electrical energy changes to heat and light energy. And the electrical energy in a kettle is converted to heat energy to boil water. This is also a change in the form of energy. Okay. And next, seventh question. What is reflex action? What is its advantage? Answer. Reflex action is an automatic action where you act without thinking. Okay. So this reflex action are controlled by the spinal cord. Okay. These messages do not go to the brain. This saves time and prevents major injuries. Okay. So this reflex action question, it is also a important question. Okay. And next, eighth question. How can a lever be used to lift a heavy load? Answer. Okay, a lever consists of a bar that rests on a support. A lever helps to lift a heavy load as it makes our work easier by reducing the effort needed to lift it. Okay, so a lever is, it is also a simple machine. Okay, it makes our work easier. Okay, and next here, ninth question, distinguish between potential energy and kinetic energy. Answer. Potential energy is the energy stored in an object because of its position or a shape. Okay. Kinetic energy is the energy possessed by an object because of its motion. Okay. And next, coming to the 10th question, what is the utility of the sense organs? Okay. So we have total 5 sense organs, right? Okay, eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Okay, so these sense organs make us aware of surroundings. Okay, we see the whole world with our eyes and hear the sounds with our ears. The nose helps us to detect good and bad smells. The tongue helps us to speak, swallow and taste. The skin helps us feel and differentiate between hot and cold. The skin also helps us feel pain, pressure and texture. Okay. So these are the utility of the sense organs. Okay. And next, coming to the 11th question, explain the difference between contact forces and field forces. Okay, answer. Contact forces come into play when objects touch each other. Okay, when two objects touch each other. Okay, field forces happen when two objects interact without touching each other. Okay, when you kick a ball, push a table or ride a bicycle, contact forces are in play. Okay, frictional force, muscular force and elastic force are types of contact forces. Okay, gravitational force and magnetic force are two types of field forces. Okay, any object falling to the ground is an example of gravitational force. Okay, and iron nails getting attracted by a magnet is an example of magnetic force. Okay, so students, all of you write down these questions in your science classwork book. In tomorrow online class, I am going to ask question and answers. Okay, all of you read and all of you prepare well for these questions. Okay, because these questions are important for your exams. Okay, thank you students.